Hi, I'm Kathy Schmitz. Have you ever wanted a book to come to life? That's what I've done with my Merry Minis workshop. It's an online course that you can stop and start whenever you want. You'll have access to it for 1 full year. Best of all, it's loaded with video content. I will show you every stitch used in the 100 little Christmas images that are included. And then I'll show you how to create different projects using those images. There are video tutorials and patterns to create this hexagon wall hanging using 96 of the images. There is a video and patterns on how to create a pillow. There's videos to show you how to create ornaments all the way to finishing. I'll go over everything. So if you're looking for something to do between now and Christmas, I hope you join me in my workshop.